Ah yes, Canva versus Adobe Express. It's been a while, hasn't it? Well, let's get straight into it. Welcome everyone to the 2023 version of Canva versus Adobe Express. First, we have to talk about the premium version. Both are free web and app-based graphic design softwares with a premium plan to enhance your design experience. Adobe Express's premium allows the user to access public libraries and use more stock photos, videos, and audio. Now we're looking at the new Adobe Express, the beta one that was just released and not the market one. In beta, premium users can also use the content schedule and brands. Canva has other options, such as background image removal, branding as well as social media schedules just like Adobe Express. Here we can see there's not much difference between the two apps. However, there is one small little thing that I haven't mentioned, and it's this. Canva has this thing called the Template Creator program where you can earn royalty by creating templates, while Adobe Express has the Ambassador program where you can create designs and templates to gain points where you can redeem it for rewards. I'd say these two features are definitely unique to both apps. Furthermore, both apps have a mobile version, which I'll talk about now. The Adobe Express beta does not support mobile yet, so for now we're going to give Canva a point here. However, if we compared our current version of Adobe Express that is on the market, we wouldn't see a lot of difference between these two apps. The overall UI and UX for both of these apps are pretty good, as they are easy to navigate and to use. I'm not going to touch on the features of both apps too much because Adobe will definitely win because of their new AI integrated into Express. However, Canva does have its own take on text to image, and their AI isn't that bad. It's only an add-on, so it's not fully integrated into the app like Adobe Express. However, we're also going to note that Firefly also has text effects, so yeah, Express is going to take the point here. So I don't want to drag this video out too long, I just want to keep it short and simple, so we're going to touch on the last thing here. We all know that Adobe is the industry standard, and it's no surprise how many people use it. While there are a lot of third-party apps that make Adobe Express better, such as Adobe Fonts, Google Drive, and OneDrive to import more files, it's nothing too new for Canva. But we have to note this one thing. In the new Adobe Express, you can open Photoshop and Illustrator files, and with this, I've come to a conclusion for you guys. So if you're just a content creator or a small business owner or a marketer that wants to post quick social media posts with no design skills at all, and where you don't want to learn any design skills in the near future, I'd say Canva is your go-to. Canva is more of a template heavy app where you can remix templates easier. Adobe Express is the complete opposite. You'll need to use the tools and AI to your advantage and to create beautiful pieces. As Adobe apps are like industry standard, you'll only want to use Adobe Express if you're really serious into design, I'd say. And if you do want to have a challenge, I'd say Express is a good option. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more graphic design content, please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!